There's cats staring at us, you know that, right?
Right now, you are seeing old Rahat strolling through a blizzard. How did I get there, you might ask? Well, that, viewer, is a great question, and I will gladly answer. This is Sapporo, known for being the snowy part of Japan, and given my track history, I like following train tracks. Therefore, we followed a train track in Sapporo, and it happened to be on a day that was a blizzard. And the rest is history. Hope you lads enjoy.
There is nothing but snow. Right now, we are going up a very steep, snowy hill by some random person that managed to make a foot mold for us to go up the stairs, and it is very difficult. Oh, we made it. We cut corners by a lot at the cost of a lot. And we are here. Holy shit. Look at the old lady. All she needs to do is go this way. And she's choosing to go the easy way. We went from that direction all the way up here, and now we're going up a normal route, and it is snowing. I am at Asari, and it is nowhere near Sapporo, Hokkaido, and yet they have decided to make their own ice sculpture, and that is insane. No one tells you stuff like this. They only come here in Sapporo to see the Hokkaido Snow Festival, but that is probably even cooler because no one knows about this. That's amazing, man. You would never see this stuff. You would never see this stuff, guys. It's too late to say Asari now. And right now, it looks insane. Look at the intense amount of snow. It's going on forever, lads. And I love it. Not when I'm walking straight, because it's going right in my face, and you can see, even with a hood, I'm still becoming a snowman. But the view of the seaside is magnificent. There's so much shit going on. What we're planning on doing is just walking again by the train tracks. We got blocked off earlier on, so we're now up higher where we are able to cross, and again we're just walking. I personally think following the train tracks gives you the best scenery, and surprise surprise, it does. We have made it to a precipice of beauty. I don't know what precipice means, and with that I also have some oranges I bought. This is what you call a pinnacle of a tangerine. The view is average in my opinion. I see that everywhere. There's nothing really cool about it besides maybe the orange, and that is why I'm showing you this orange. It's very nice. It's a very nice orange. Don't you agree, camera? So we were here and we came all the way to here, very far, and it was great. Alright guys, I'm getting attacked by snow. It went in my mouth, it went in my nostrils, it went in my eyes. It went in my eyes again, guys. I need help. Back up, mayday, mayday. my god, there's cats staring at us, you know that, right? We were meant to cross this road, but I don't know if you know, to cross a road in Japan, you usually go across these bridges. And the bridge is clearly covered with snow. And that means you can't cross that bridge. You're probably thinking it's not that deep. It would have been looking like that. This is like Spirited Away.
Rapid airport train for New Chitose Airport is arriving at platform 2.
さすがにバスが来て
2番線に列車が到着いたします。ご注意ください。2番線に列車が到着いたします。
With that, another vlog comes to a close. I think this whole area was class. Towards the end especially, you could see how cool the whole place looked during a blizzard, and we made sure to enjoy the whole views.